Hello dear viewers, this is Dukas Copy Academy and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. This is first trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week. As it happens to be of Friday, and I, Rakesh Kumar, welcome you to your own channel Dukas Copy Academy. Friends, in some time here we are going to discuss the price action with respect to all the major currency pairs, and we will actually not be doing anything that is fundamental in nature. Let me tell you that I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent analyst. I'm just showcasing my sessions here where I think I can be of some help to the Dukas Copy trading community. Guys, you might be thinking that what is he going to do here in this webinar? Well, I'm going to show you how you can, not very precisely, but with a certain accuracy, you can predict which direction the market might be taking in the coming time, and also what are the important key levels, as we are going to draw the key levels for all the major currency pairs, and we will be using those key levels into our trading setups. Friends, in between the webinar, I will be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat that is provided. Before I start the session, I must tell you that this live stream is only for information or knowledge. You have to do your research, own research, before you put your hard-earned money on the line in the live markets. Before we begin, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. This is very essential as we are trading foreign exchange. All right, so please pause the video here if you are new in the forex trading, because you have to understand the risk that is associated, and once you have understood the risk, then only you can get into the trading world. All right, so I'm taking you to my charts. So this is the first chart that I'm going to show you. This is the dollar index. Friends, this is a chart that you should be having on your terminal, and before you start looking at other currency pairs, you should have a look at the dollar index, because all the major currencies are traded with the US dollar in majors. If you have an idea what US dollar is doing, then you will definitely have an idea what others currency pairs are going to do. From here, I have written that the bias is bearish. I had written actually this area, but actually this was this area because this is not a valid high. So once the price started making lower highs and lower lows, we started saying that the bias in the US dollar is going to be bearish. And we were looking for a selling opportunity in the US dollar. Well, above 104.34, the bearish bias will cease to exist, and we'll start looking for the buying opportunities. That is the story as of now. The bias is bearish. All right. Um, Well, this is perfectly possible. Okay, so keep an eye on the market. Something like this may be going to happen. On the upside, now we have a resistance around this bias cannot go even. The bias is bearish. The bias is bearish below 104.89 actually. This is the support, is now acting as a resistance, and this is what we are expecting. 103.21 will be the first target, and then 102.75 will be the second target. That's it. Guys, this is GBP USD. The bias is bearish in this one also. Actually, on the daily, after this move, the bias has become bullish for the time being. But if you look at the bigger picture, after the price made this move from 1.2772 towards 1.2518, in this move, the price broke through these supports. And here the price started making lower highs and lower lows. Now, this high is the resistance, this low is the support, and the price has been trading within this, like this, making higher highs and higher lows. Yes, this is a bullish trend within a bigger trend, so I'm expecting the price to trade like this till it goes to 1.2772, where I'm expecting it to break down again to the downside. So for me, the bigger picture, the resistance is 1.2772, the support being 1.2518, and actually the next low is 1.2500. But right now the price is making higher highs and higher lows, so I may be expecting even a higher price in this one. Right now it is not a selling opportunity. This will become a selling opportunity when the price breaks below this rising trend line once again. I want to introduce Euro USD here, so I'll just add plus and introduce it here for this. Okay, so Euro USD, this is the Euro USD chart. So in this, I have written that the bias is bullish now. The price has made it here, and now it may be, looking for a buying opportunity. This is like this, and this is like this. So on the daily, when the price breaks out from this falling channel, you can be certain that the price has resumed its uptrend. But this can happen. Okay, yes, this is true. This is nice. Okay, and the bias will be bullish above 1.0695. Once the price breaks below that, then we can be looking for the selling opportunities again. On the upside, first target is this 1.0897. Later on, we can target 1.0932 and 1.1000. So keep these three levels on your charts. This area I have shaded in the red, and I'm expecting it to be very, very good resistance, because when I look on the left side, the similar level has been of great importance in the past. So I'll be very, very cautious at these levels around 1.0897. The pound we have covered. So now I'll be covering the Australian dollar. Yesterday, a lot of sellers jumped in here and tried to push the price lower. They could not close it below the opening of the day, and the idea is next day when the price went lower, it could not go lower than this, and the price went higher and broke this resistance. Now what does it mean? That all these sellers in the market, when the price when the buyers came in, they tried to push the price again. They couldn't do it. In fact, the buyers pushed the price higher and took out their stop losses. Do you feel me here? Now I'm telling you that if the stop losses of the sellers have been taken out, maybe their stop losses are here somewhere. It's possible that their stop losses are here, but there will be some who will have stop losses here. Now I am expecting that their stop losses are already triggered. Now if that is the case, then there's a very high probability that the price will go like this from here. That is what I'm expecting. So I think something like this is going to happen here very soon, and you will see the price soar on Monday maybe, or maybe on Tuesday, towards 0.6625. Now the only hindrance that I can see here is this falling channel that I'm going to introduce right now. This one. I think this is the only thing that will stop it. Also, this is also this fall, and 38% of this fall may be stopping the price, but I don't expect that to stop now, because the price action is suggesting that the price is going to go and rise from here and may automatically go towards 0.6625. If I go to the lower time frames, okay, you see on the 4 hours, this has already happened. The price has already broken this channel on the 4 hour in a very convincing manner with a lot of volumes. Yes, all right. And also the next target is, first target is 0.6543, the second one is 0.6625, and next we can expect higher targets around 0.6748 in this market. So let's see how the things unfold. And right now it looks like, okay, doesn't look like much, but yes, volumes are suggesting that the price may go higher, although there is a bearish divergence here, so I'll be a little cautious here. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, it is also making higher highs and higher lows, so this may be seen as a buying opportunity with the target of 0.6218 and later on 0.6278. Right now the support is around 0.6038. That's it. USDCHF has again made a higher high than the previous high, but is not able to hold the prices over there at the highs and has been rejected very badly. On the intraday it looks like a bearish pin bar, but still, now since it has made a higher high, so we have a support around 0.8743 now, which was earlier here at 0.8551. Now this level has increased to 0.8743. All right. So this is now my support, and I'll be looking for the next level. This may not be a resistance for me anymore. So I'm looking for a bullish price action again when the price strikes this rising channel support area. Although today the volumes were not very huge, so this may be just a pullback where we can maybe see a buying opportunity again. But till the time the price is trading above 0.8743, I will not be selling this market. All right, this is a bullish bias. Similar is the case with the USDCAD, because day before yesterday it had made a higher high than this one. So between these two highs, this was the highest low. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it here. The resistance is same, 1.3620, but the support has now changed to 1.3441, and this may also be seen like this. Okay. So if you are looking for a selling opportunity, you can sell this market below 1.3441 only. Till the time the price doesn't trade below 1.3441, you can only be looking for the buying opportunities. But my personal opinion is that stay away from this market because it is not moving anywhere. Talking about the USDJPY, yesterday we have noticed that this rising channel has been broken. And in breaking this channel, although there is not a very big deal, but if in this process 148.92 is broken, or if any price below 148.92 is traded, then I'll be a seller in this market with my first target around 145.89. So please be cautious here, because first level of confirmation, that is the break of the channel, has occurred, and the next day, that is today, the rise was sold off again below the high of day before yesterday. So there's a bigger chance that the price may be going back towards this 148.92. and also see today the volumes are huge. If the candle turns out to be red candle, then it will be a bearish pin bar with the huge volumes. So let us consider it and wait for the price to break below 148.92 rather than selling it now. So I will say no trade here till the time this is not broken. Okay. So let's see how the things unfold, and we'll leave it just like that. New Zealand Canadian is making higher highs and higher lows. Now this price action is valid till the time the price does not break below 0.8188. So I'm expecting a higher price of 0.8417 in this market. Although right now buying will not be a good idea, you can create a channel to the downside. Once the channel breaks to the upside, you may be a buyer, but right now, no. Although I don't prefer to trade in the channels, but still, this is what you can expect. This was a confluence of supports. It looks like there is a swing forming up here. The price has broken higher than the previous day's high. So there's more chance of price going higher from here. All right, you got the support and resistances drawn. So all the best. In the Bitcoin, we have a very good consolidation above 59,235. Now, when the price starts going down from here, if you can find a price very close to 59,235, that will be a good buying opportunity. Now here it can go like this. Yes, once that happens, that can be a golden opportunity. If the price goes close to 59,235 and above that or very close to that, you can buy this. It can be a very good buying opportunity with a target of 69,035. All right, do not miss that. If you get it, buy it. That's it for the Bitcoin. Well, if it starts going downside, it has to break below 50,578 for this to become bearish. As of now, I don't see that happening in one day or two. So I'm expecting figure 69,035 next level. Talking about the Brent, very strong candle in the Brent. It has engulfed all the prices in the past. I think a break above 84.62 is still required for us to become bullish on the Brent. As of now, I'm not selling, or as of now, I'm not buying. So I will stay away from this market until and unless it makes a move above 84.62. So well, above 84.62, my first target will be these lines, and then 95.97. On the downside, we have support at 76.66. Well, very good move in the gold. That means there is certainly a breakdown in the dollar. That's why this is happening. So 2083 is where the price is trading right now. The price has made a move to the upside. So the next level of resistance is these highs. These highs are around 2088. I think the price is already at that level, and after the 2088 is traded, we can see 2146 in this market. So that's all in all, gold is going up. but I'm not trading it, right? Because I'm expecting the price at 1931. If that doesn't come, fair enough. If that comes, fair enough. Okay. Japan index, well, we expected or we anticipated this move, and that is exactly what has happened. 40,158 is where the price is trading right now. Well, on the 4-hour, you can see exactly what happened. Okay. So we said once the price comes here, that can be your buying opportunity, or if the price breaks out of this and then comes back to test this. Actually, it never came to retest, it is only rising. So we did not get a buying opportunity on the 4-hour. All right, guys, it's okay. When the bus is leaving, it is leaving. We cannot do anything about it. It was a good trade, but now it is not there. That's all, guys, from my side. Where are the targets? This is the highest high that the price has ever made in the Japanese index, so we cannot ascertain right now. Yes, based on the extensions, what you can do is based on the Fibonacci, you can make out some extensions here. So the first target for you will be 40,417, which is 100% extension, and the next one is 41,367, which is 161.8% extension. So these are the few levels that you can keep your eye on in the Nikkei. Pain, this is not a tradable market, so stay away from this one also. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can ask me in the chat box that is provided to you. In the next 2 minutes, I'll be wrapping up this session, so please feel free to ask your questions if you have any. All right, guys, I hope you know about the various levels of support and resistances that are of some interest to the other traders in coming hours and days. My only interest is to make you disciplined trader and look for something in the market rather than trading anything haphazardly. Just remember, for managing the risk, if you are doing this, what I'm going to say, then you will, I think, have a very good account that will increase in the time. So the thing is that you have to risk only less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and you have to look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of your risk on a trade. So if you are doing this repeatedly, you will have a very profitable account in the coming time. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you in any way. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos if you are here for the first time. Have a good day. Thank you so much for your time and energy for watching me here. And if you want to get connected with me on the Skype, this is my Skype handle. You can also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is Bulls and Bears. The logo is right in front of it so that you can identify the channel. Once again, thanks for your time. See you on Monday at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.